Hi, my name's Andrea Cardona, and I'm a recent graduate of the New York City Flatiron Coding Bootcamp. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video and to be here. I really appreciate it. I'm so excited to showcase this project and to show you a lot of its functionalities and capabilities. This is an application called BoozHoundz. It's a full stack Ruby on Rails application that follows the MVC, which is the Model Views Controller pattern with full CRUD capabilities. It's a Yelp-style application where a user can find liquor stores by location. The idea came about when I moved to New York, and I actually found it quite difficult to just be able to pick up a bottle of wine from your local bodega or a corner store. When a user first enters the application, they have one of two options. They can log directly into their profile, or they can sign up. If you sign up, it'll ask you for your credentials, and then you'll create the user here. I already have a profile, so I'm going to use that to show you a lot of the capabilities. I'm going to type in my username, my password, and once I click Show Me the Booze, I'll be automatically, oh no, there's an error that popped up. Username or password is incorrect. Please try again. There we go. Now I'm taken directly into my personal profile. If you see here, it'll show you a list of the people that you're following and your followers. Right now I have 0, so let's go find me a booze buddy. I can do that by clicking this link here, and it'll automatically take me to a list of pre-populated users. If I click on a user, I'll be taken directly to their profile, and I can see all of the liquor stores that they've commented on and rated. I can also follow that user, and if I go back to my profile and I click following, the user will be there in the list. If I click back on Anna, I can also unfollow, and the people that I'm following will go down by 1 accordingly. This was a social aspect that I wanted to incorporate into my project because similarly to Yelp, you're able to see which users have commented on which liquor stores and written reviews, and just a great way to keep the social aspect incorporated into the project and makes it a lot more fun for users. And they can easily find great liquor stores in their neighborhood. Another functionality that a user can do when they're logged into their own personal profile is edit a lot of things. They can edit their profile by updating their password or deleting their profile. I want to do neither in this case, so I'm going to use the navigation bar up here to go back to my profile page. I can also edit a review. I'm going to edit Save Ride Discount. I can say, oh no, too overpriced. Oh no, too overpriced, by editing the content. Or I can change my rating. And here I've actually incorporated user validations to ensure that a user can only input a positive whole number between 1 and 5, or another error will pop up. I'm going to give it a 2, and we're going to update the review just to see it update. See? Oh no, too overpriced, rating 2 stars. I can also delete the review by simply deleting. Now I want to highlight the core functionality of this application, which is finding a local liquor store. You can see up here that you can find the stores by name or by location, as well as on your personal profile. If we click by location, they'll be automatically populated into their boroughs. New York is really, really big, so I thought this was a great way to help a user navigate the borough that they're in. If we click Central Brooklyn, it will automatically populate the liquor stores within that zip code. If we click on a liquor store, we'll see all this information. Oh, and a review hasn't been written. This information up here and all of this data is data that I've pulled from the Yelp API to pull the top 1,000 liquor stores in New York City. I've used all of that data to generate the list that you saw previously and some of the data here. You can also see more liquor stores nearby. For example, King Double. Oh, and there are comments and reviews. Great. For example, as a user, if I wanted to map myself to this specific liquor store, I can view in Google Maps through that external link and map myself to that liquor store. Again, New York is really big, so I thought that was a great functionality for a user to be able to immediately locate where they are and locate the liquor store. You can also go up here and find a liquor store by name. It's actually pulling a lot of data, so it might take a little while. Oh, there it is. These are all the liquor stores that are broken up actually alphabetically. If we click here, similarly as seen before, it will take you to the profile of that specific liquor store. And a user can write a review. I'm going to write a review to show you that it will then populate on my page. Great. Lots of booze. Let's perhaps give it a 4, create a review, and if you go back to your profile, there it is. Well, I hope you had a lot of fun viewing this demo. I really, really enjoyed this project. I thought it was a fun project to work on. When I showed it to a lot of my peers that had moved out of state to New York, they thought it was a great concept. And I had a lot of fun working with the design and the social aspect of the entire application as well. I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to any comments, questions, or feedback. I'm always open to make my applications better. But thank you so much for your time, and I hope you have a great day.